Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Peace, y'all. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace and love to everybody out there. Back at it with another video. Fresh off work. You know what I'm saying? I figure I'd just come off work, dive straight into some videos for y'all. So I skipped the gym. And I'm in here to try to put some videos down for y'all. I'll go to the gym tomorrow, but hopefully y'all had a good day. Hopefully your vibe stayed high today. Nobody messed up your day, and you have a good rest of the night. Before we jump into this video, make sure you call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Rome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like ooh, ooh. I say ooh, ooh, ooh. Y'all keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep thriving and surviving, and keep those vibes high. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Title is Man Does the Unthinkable After Talking to ChatGPT.
You guys for the law. You're the right to you. Cannot afford the law. And you gotta kill you all! Kill you all! In a world of pure imagination.
When police respond to reports of serious threats to a local business, they come face to face with a suspect whose behavior, that may have been shaped in part by ChatGPT, makes it nearly impossible to tell what he believes is real and what's a complete delusion.
Yeah.
Hey, you gon' see. Don't play with me, or I'm about to mess up your imagination. That boy singing that damn Will Wonka. He ain't playing with you. Shoot. You about to mess up his imagination. You hear that, boy? It's got to sing till you get them pipes right. And that imagination. Oh, you crazy, dog. Will Wonka.
The following is based on official police records released to date. On the evening of March 7, 2025, a father and his son walk into a police station in Westlake, Ohio, to discuss a car the son had previously reported stolen, unaware that one of them is about to be arrested for something else entirely. The man in handcuffs is 20-year-old Shion Park, and the discussion about the car was all a ruse created by police to have him come to the station voluntarily.
Security perimeter. No weapons, guns, bombs, sprays, impact, or electrical.
Is that him talking like a robot?
The urgency to bring Shion to the station stemmed from a call earlier that night, when police were summoned to the Mark's grocery store where he works. According to reports, a co-worker from the store showed police text messages from Shion in which he threatened to kill everyone at the store the next day, while also calling himself Lord Shiva.
You know why you're here?
Because they want to kill you all in 12 p.m.? Oh, I don't know. What's the time?
Hey.
11 o'clock. It's not 11 o'clock.
Hey, dumb. Listen.
Oh, it's 10:57.
Shut the f*** up. I did not ask you.
I don't give a f*** who you asked.
Hey, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you for the law. You have the right to you. Cannot afford the law.
Oh man, I am the law, you dumb. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, I am the law. Jesus. Oh, Jesus can't save you, buddy.
As Shion continues acting in a completely unpredictable manner with the officers, his father calls his other son from the lobby, hoping he can help communicate with officers.
I live in North Homestead, so I'm not too far, but I was just wondering what happened.
Yeah, so he was arrested by us for making threats. Has he ever been diagnosed with anything or has seen like a specialist or no?
I think the only thing he's been diagnosed with like ADHD, to be honest.
Okay.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful is this life.
He's not gonna do anything, and he hasn't done anything like that. He said a couple weird things to me too. I told him to stop, and he did.
But his brother no longer seems to be the one he's listening to. According to police reports, detectives later uncovered conversations between Shion and ChatGPT discussing his plans at Mark's, where he refers to March 8th as Judgment Day. Investigators noted that during the course of the conversations, replies from the AI chatbot seemed to empower and validate Shion's opinions.
Ooh, I like that. Ooh.
Hey, what's crazy is that they just showed you that even down to ChatGPT, they're watching and listening to everything you do. Say, create, think of. This thing is forever learning, but more so it's forever learning for them. So they're always ahead of the curve. Is AI really AI, or is AI people behind AI controlling AI saying that AI is taking over? Yeah, I don't know. That is a great question. But obviously, if they can go into ChatGPT just like they can do everything else, and they can see what you're thinking, feeling, trying to create anything like that, they gonna have the information, y'all. So be careful. Be careful out there when you're on ChatGPT, because you don't know what they trying to get or learn or take from you or your thoughts. Right? Crazy.
Woo, that makes me a little happy. Because I know what you've done for those children. Oh, you're planning to kill me? You're planning to drug me? Oh, that's so nice of you. That's so nice. I'm gonna kill you all. Kill you all. At 12. I'm never late.
You got a little less than an hour, about 9 minutes.
It's a little less than an hour, and you're supposed to say it's a little less because that's the last time you're ever gonna breathe.
No, I think that was. Oh, no, I'm still breathing. Oh, crazy.
Thank you so much. If you shake my hand, I will free you from your agony. But I know you won't shake my hand because you would never shake someone's hand.
I shake plenty of people's hands.
Can you shake my hand?
I just ain't shaking yours.
Your life depends on it.
No, it doesn't. I guarantee you have no bearing on my life.
2, 1. Thank you. You know, I love you. I love you very much.
Good.
And you know, second chance.
Do you know what tomorrow is?
Shut the up.
Do you know what tomorrow is?
Shut the up. I was not speaking to you. And you
Man.
in the
Imagination. That thing crazy.
Forgiveness. Please.
Please.
Forgiveness. What do you have to do? What do we have to do?
What do you have to do? Or what does he have to do?
Both.
Well, I told you he had to knock this off, and he didn't.
According to police records, in the days leading up to the incident, officers were called to the family's home multiple times for a series of troubling reports. Among them were messages Shion sent to former classmates, including images of himself with pentagrams and 666 drawn on his body, along with statements about taking one of their souls. There was also a claim that he had purchased a gun. At the time, officers determined he didn't pose an immediate threat and warned him to cease contact with the involved parties.
A gun? You know what a gun is?
Yeah.
Did he buy one?
You want to buy?
Did he buy one?
He bought?
I'm asking you, did he buy a gun?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
He had something going for him, like, you know, he was like doing golfing calls and all that, but all of that went really bad, and ever since then he's just been having a really difficult time accepting that it's gone really bad.
You can't do anything to me.
Sit down. There's no fear.
None.
Stop, I love it. Don't do it again. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, no, please. Please.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, well, I need your officer. No.
You have it all.
No, your name.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Lieutenant Fox.
Oh, Lieutenant Fox. Oh,
That
Lieutenant. Shut the
boy.
Lieutenant. Get the out of my sight, little. Can you be a good dog and give me a drink?
No, don't think so.
Why do you ask why?
It's because you just spit
Shut the
on.
up. I'm speaking.
No, I'll speak whenever the I want to. Okay?
You won't.
I will speak whenever the I choose to.
Look at me. Look at me. Tell me.
Do you think you intimidate me, dude?
No, I don't.
Good, because you don't.
He's all over the place.
That's funny, right? You will be forgiven for laughing. And you're going to see what I can do.
Thank God. You're saved.
That boy on
How do
everything.
you do that? Why did you do that? Why did you flip it upside down? Because you're gonna die. And you, especially, officer, on the computer. Yeah, with the glasses, Mr. Four Eyes. Oh, why am I? No, I need to get out. No, I need to run. Push me down, please. I need to get out of here because I need to save your guys' lives. I need to go. Can you release me? I need to run away.
Sit down.
There's Master.
Ah!
Wait, do you guys like Logan Paul? Jake Paul or Logan Paul? Go.
What's your social?
I don't know my social, you dumb.
Ah,
How many orgies have you guys been in?
bro.
Tell me.
He just needs like therapy right now.
Although the family believes Shion is harmless, officers still have a duty to determine the credibility of his reported threats.
You keep saying March 8th at 12 o'clock. What's the significance?
Nothing's gonna happen, guys. It's all a act. Look into my eyes and lie like I lie. You're safe.
What's your problem with people on marks? Is that what you said you want to kill them all?
Yeah, they're gonna all die. Again, you're supposed to torture me today. And you don't choose to torture me, I'm literally gonna kill you all. This is the last chance. If you don't shoot me right now, I'm gonna kill you all. And if you don't kill me right now, I'm gonna kill you all. Five. No, dude, this is the place where I'll be awakened, you idiots. I need you to take it off, because I'm not gonna do it. Good boy.
As the officers get
Oh
Shion
my
dressed into his
goodness.
new county-appointed wardrobe, a revelation seems to wash over him.
Oh, wait, am I gonna go to prison? My children will kill you all. Let's go! No way I'm gonna do this with you guys. Let's go. Don't touch me, you little.
Bruh, too far, man. Like, you can be crazy and all that stuff, but what? I don't get it, though. Like, for some reason, people using the N-word is just diabolical, man. They use it in terms that shouldn't be used in, or they're using it as a derogatory term towards a white person. I don't think any white person is going to take offense to being called the N-word. They're just going to call you a dumbass and just be like, oh, well, he's crazy, or he's on something, or he needs to see a psych or something. He kind of acts like a little Disney character, like up and down and very theatrical and shit. Like, bruh, you he's crazy with a side of rice. Okay, that boy, cray.
According to police reports, once in his cell, Shion continued his volatile behavior, removing his clothes, piling them in a corner, and urinating on them. He danced, screamed, sang, and shadow-boxed, and at one point attempted to break the cell's surveillance camera. He also stuffed his bedsheet into the toilet, flooding the cell.
Wow.
Eventually, as he began to calm down, Shion requested a Bible. A search of the father's car and Shion's bedroom was completed, but no weapon was ever found. A correction officer reported the day after his arrest, Shion admitted to him that he consumed shrooms the day before and had no recollection of the previous night. Shion was banned from all Mark's properties.
If you give me water, I'm gonna kill you. If I give you water, you're gonna kill us, but even though you requested water.
Yeah.
According to court records, Shion Park was charged with 2 counts of harassment with a bodily substance, 2 of aggravated menacing, 1 count of vandalism, and 1 count of intimidation. After a psychiatric evaluation, Shion was found not guilty by reason of insanity. Get the full story without the restrictions, including longer cuts, mostly uncensored episodes, and exclusive originals.
Hey, shrooms don't do that. Okay, there's plenty of studies and stuff where shrooms don't last in your system that long, and they don't make you have bad trips. That's kind of just getting off the bad notation that shrooms do that when they actually do very beneficial things for people with ailments. Dude was just off. The whole insanity thing, I think they just played into it, or they believed him because he just seemed like he knew how to change characters in an instant. But he got off easy. Insanity It's easy. He don't have a record, so he did. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of puts him in a hard place. Can we do something? Can we not do something? He's showing signs that he's going to do something and that we should do something, but he ain't did nothing, so we can't do nothing. You know what I mean? Like, it's very, very odd situation. Only thing you can do is just watch him, I guess, now, or put him in a psych ward, or treat him, or you know, give him, whatever meds he needs to keep him calm. ADD could, I don't know. I don't know if ADD makes people act like that. But crazy. He just wherever he was in a world of somebody's imagination. Boy, crazy on imagination. Uh, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Romy Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Joe Jerome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth. Like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Uh, Peace and love to everybody out there. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep thriving and surviving. And keep those vibes high. If you like more videos like this, drop in the comments. Let me know. Drop in the comments what you want to see. And I'll make sure to get these to y'all ASAPery. All right? Y'all have a good night, y'all. Peace, 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 peace.